Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 10, tenths and hundreds. Let's start. Today we will study some sums based on temperature at different places of India. Remember, temperature is measured in degrees Celsius.
Come, Meenu, let's go inside. I am feeling very cold.
I know you will feel cold. The temperature in our place is just 17 degrees Celsius now.
What are you saying, Meenu? What is Celsius?
Buzz, temperature is measured in Celsius. Just like we use degree for angles, then meter, kilometer, centimeter for length, we use Celsius to measure temperature. You are feeling cold because today's temperature is 17 degrees Celsius in our place. I saw the temperatures of other places on TV today. It is 28.5 degrees Celsius in Chennai.
If I was in Chennai now, I will not feel cold.
But it is 2 degrees Celsius in Shimla today, Buzz.
Oh my god! If I go to Shimla, my wings will freeze. I won't be able to fly then.
Buzz, then you should go to Rajasthan in summer. What are you looking at?
I am looking at my map of India. I just saw Shimla here. Oh, so Rajasthan is here. What happens in Rajasthan in summer, Chinu?
The temperature goes up to 48 degrees Celsius. It is very hot. People walk many kilometers in that heat to get water.
Oh, that's really sad. That is why we must not waste water. Now I am feeling very cold. I will think of Rajasthan and 48 degrees Celsius. Then I will feel better.
Friends, why don't you find out what the temperature is in your place today? Are you feeling hot or cold today?
Let us look at the India map. The temperatures of some cities at 8 am are given. Which place has the highest temperature? Chennai. Which place has the lowest temperature? Srinagar. What is the difference in temperature between Chennai and Delhi? Nine degrees Celsius. To reach 30 degrees, how much has the temperature gone to rise in Chandigarh? .5 degrees Celsius. Now let us look at the temperatures of these cities at 8 p.m. Which is the coolest place? Srinagar. Which place has the highest temperature? Mumbai. Which place is cooler, Jaipur or Patna? Patna. Which place is warmer, Delhi or Guwahati? Guwahati.
Bye bye, friends.
Now we will be solving practice time. Question number 3. Which city is cool? Children, different places in India have different temperatures. For example, the temperature in Himachal Pradesh might be 2 degrees Celsius in winter. In such temperature, even the water in the pipe freezes to ice. But at the same time, in Rajasthan, the temperature might be 48 degrees Celsius. It is very hot there. Greater the value of temperature, the place becomes that much hot. Less the value of temperature, the place gets cooler and cooler. The temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Given below is the map of India. Some major cities with their temperatures in degrees Celsius are given at 3 p.m. means at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on 16th January 2008. Look at the temperatures and answer the following questions. First one, which place had the highest temperature and which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.? We can see from the map of India that Mumbai had the highest temperature of 35.1 degrees Celsius, whereas Srinagar is the coolest place with temperature 8.1 degrees Celsius. Second one, how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? Temperature in Mumbai is 35.1 degrees Celsius. Temperature in Srinagar is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between these two temperatures. Answer is 27 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature in Mumbai is 27 degrees Celsius higher from that in Srinagar. Third question, how many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? Answer, from this map of India, we can see that the temperature in Thiruvananthapuram is 33.5 degrees Celsius. We have to find how many degrees the temperature of Thiruvananthapuram needs to rise to reach 40 degrees Celsius. Find the difference of 40 degrees Celsius minus 33.5 degrees Celsius. We get 6.5 degrees Celsius. So the temperature needs to rise 6.5 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram to reach 40 degrees Celsius. Fourth one, how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai? Temperature of Chennai is 29.9 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Kolkata is 26.6 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between these two temperatures. We get 3.3 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Kolkata is 3.3 degrees Celsius lower than the temperature of Chennai. Question number 5th. The temperature in these cities was noted at 3 a.m. means 3 o'clock at night time on the same day. Look at the given table and answer the following questions. A. Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 a.m.? Then imagine yourself to be in that place and describe how you would feel. Answer. From this table, we can see that Srinagar had the lowest temperature of about 1.3 degrees Celsius. Imagine at so less temperature, it would be very cold there, and water also would freeze to ice. So people living there should wear woolen clothes and sit near fire to keep themselves warm at so less temperature. B. What is the difference between the temperatures at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai and also in Bhopal? Answer. This map shows the temperature at 3 p.m. means at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this table shows the temperature at 3 a.m. means at 3 o'clock during night time. Now at Chennai, temperature at 3 p.m. is 29.9 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 3 a.m. is 21.1 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between both these temperatures. It comes out to be 8.8 degrees Celsius. So the difference between the temperatures at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai is 8.8 degrees Celsius. Now at Bhopal, temperature at 3 p.m. is 25.9 degrees Celsius and temperature at 3 a.m. is 9.8 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between these two temperatures. It comes out to be 16.1 degrees Celsius. So the difference between the temperatures at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Bhopal is 16.1 degrees Celsius. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.